What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best garage fans in 2022. There's a lot of choice for garage fans. Summer is coming. With it comes to the high temperatures, and being outside becomes unbearable. Unfortunately, the same goes for our garages and workshops. It feels like the sun rays and heat penetrate the walls and windows, go straight inside, and make it impossible to focus on tasks. However, do not worry and fret about the upcoming temperature rise in your garage, as we have a solution for you. Our team presents you with 8 garage fans reviews, and a buying guide to help you find a reliable means of ventilation. We understand that choosing the garage fan is not as easy as it sounds, but it's not hard either. Power cord length can be an issue, so be aware of it. Garage ceiling fans are hardwired, so that's one option to go around this problem. If your garage has only a couple of power sources, which are in inconvenient places or are used for other appliances, that's when you have a problem. Look for a fan with a long power cord so it can reach the outlet no matter where it is. Cord extension is not recommended for industrial grade fans as they are powerful, and an extended cord might be a problem. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. MaxxAir Wall Mount Garage Fan. This MaxxAir fan is suitable for mounting on a wall, but can also be hung on a ceiling, or even set up on the floor. The fan tilts at 180 degrees. It has an enclosed motor, which means it's protected from dirt and water. The product comes with a 3-speed pull chain, but it can be connected to a smart home plug, thus, you can control the fan via Wi-Fi. Additionally, it can be wired to a wall mount switch. If you're not a fan of the pull chain, the CFM of this fan is 1450 on high, 1400 on medium, and 1350 on low speed. Aside from installing it in your garage, it is also suitable for horse stables, chicken coop, and barns. This product doesn't make a lot of noise. The only sound it makes is from the blades and the air movement. It's easy to mount this fan on your wall or ceiling. The package includes the bolts necessary for the installation. Specification and features. Brand: MaxxAir. Color: commercial grade for patio, garage, shop. 18 inches. Electric fan design: ceiling fan. Power source: corded electric. Style: 18 inches residential wall mount. Room type: bedroom. Special feature: high velocity. Recommended uses for product: shop, air circulation, indoor. Mounting type: wall mount. Controller type: button control. Reasons to buy. The fan can run 24/7. This product has built-in thermal overload protection to shut down the fan if it overheats. OSHA-compliant grills. A conveniently long, 10-foot power cord is included. Reasons to avoid. Only 1-year warranty. Number 2. NewAir Wall-Mounted Garage Fan. This wall mount fan from NewAir has 3 speeds, and can reach up to 3000 CFM. It comes with a pull chain, 6-foot power cord, and all hardware parts necessary for the installation. Depending on how it's installed, the fan tilts up and down and left to right. This product isn't meant to be hardwired. The plug is 3-pronged, the standard for residential outlets. Compared to other models, the motor of this unit makes it more energy saving. The cage of the fan can be taken down for cleaning purposes. Everything, including the blades and the cage, is metal. They are well balanced and create a powerful airflow. However, even if you set up the fan on a table or a dresser, it is sturdy enough to hold its own power. Specification and features. Brand: NewAir. Color: black. Electric fan design: table fan. Power source: corded electric. Style: wall-mounted fan. Room type: bedroom. Special feature: manual. Recommended uses for product: shop, air circulation. Mounting type: wall mount. Controller type: button control. Reasons to buy. The motor of this fan is a dual ball bearing, which is more energy efficient and long-lasting than a conventional motor. For daily operation, This product costs only 12 cents. Thermostatic overload protection is built in. 24/7 operation is possible. The unit helps push smoke away. Reasons to avoid. Any modification to the fan, like extending the power cord or adding a wall mount switch, will void the warranty. Number 3. OEM Tools 24-inch Garage Fan. OEM Tools barrel fan holds nothing back. The amount of air output this thing can displace is pretty incredible, ideal for any large or industrial uses. Its sturdy case and metal blades look to last for years to come. While it packs plenty of punch, it's also pretty loud. However, for the kind of long-term and industrial level uses, this fan was made for. We think a bit of noise is more than understandable. The wheeled bracket the fan is mounted on is definitely required. Weighing in at 34 pounds means this powerhouse is suited to static use. With that in mind, the 6-foot-long power cord helps to make sure you can get it into the perfect position. However, we are limited to just 2 speed settings, which leaves you to decide between a good breeze or a hurricane wind. This is fairly standard for these industrial type of fans, but even just one more speed setting would go a long way to making this fan more user-friendly. Specification and features. Item dimensions LXWXH, 24 by 8 by 24 inches. Brand, OEM Tools. Voltage, 120 volts. Wattage, 7,900. Cooling method, air. Noise level, 25 decibels. Material, alloy steel. Maximum rotational speed, 8,000 RPM. Reasons to buy. Huge amount of power. 6-foot power cord. Easy carry handles. 180-degree tilt. Reasons to avoid. Heavy, 34 pounds, loud at high setting. 2 speed settings. Number 4. MaxxAir Circulator for Garage. This MaxxAir air circulator boasts a crazy strong level of power. While it doesn't quite match their stated 2800 CFM, on low and 4000 CFM, almost whole house fan level, on high, this is still a very powerful fan. Though, similar to the OEM Tools model, there is quite a contrast between its 2 speed settings. Low definitely gets the air flowing, whereas high is much stronger. We wish they'd have included a middle ground option. Built to last, the fan is encased entirely in high-grade steel, dash with a rust-resistant grill up front. The 8-foot-long power cord means no worrying about awkward power socket positioning, and being able to tilt the fan up to 180 degrees gives you plenty of alternatives to a simple point-and-blow approach. The only aspect which lets this fan down is that the motor isn't protected from wetness or contaminants. It could probably survive a ton of bricks dropping onto the steel exterior, but a little bit of dampness may be a different story. Specification and features. Brand, MaxxAir. Color, red. Electric fan design, exhaust fan. Power source, corded electric. Style, wide body. Room type, kitchen, bedroom, living room. Special feature, high velocity. Recommended uses for product, shop, basements. Mounting type, wall mount. Controller type, button control. Reasons to buy. Metal exterior. Rust-resistant grill. 8-foot power cord. 180-degree tilt. Reasons to avoid. Vulnerable to water/contaminants. 2 speed settings. Number 5. Vornado EXO5 Garage Fan. EXO5 is one of the best options for your workplace. With this, you get as many features that provide you with easy usage and worry-free work. The fan is of highly durable materials, which means that it is not easy to break. The handle of the fan is rugged, hence you can easily grab it without slipping, making it easy to quickly move from place to place. Moreover, you can put this fan anywhere, on the floor, on the walls, or even attach it to your table side. This makes your work easier and keeps your area cool and fresh no matter where you're working. The fan has a 360-degree pivoting head, through which you can position and direct air in any direction you want. The powerful motor and blades provide enough air that helps improve ventilation and move air up to 70 feet. The 3 different speed settings allow You to choose the power of airflow according to your comfort. Specification and features. Brand, Vornado. Color, yellow. Electric fan design, table fan. Power source, corded electric. Style, industrial. Room type, laundry room, kitchen. Special feature, manual. Recommended uses for product, shop. Controller type, button control. Product dimensions, 16.8 by 18.8 by 19.7 inches. Reasons to buy. Powerful. Versatile. Superior support. Foldable. Reasons to avoid. Uses a lot of space. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video.